at the hotel. Good evening. Welcome to the hotel.
Hello. I have a booking reservation.
Wonderful. Your last name, please?
My last name, it is Martin.
Found it. Sophie Martin. Is that correct?
Yes, that is me, Sophie Martin.
Great. You're in room 412, fourth floor.
Fourth floor. Okay. Is there a lift?
Yes, just past the front desk here.
And is the room ready right now?
Yes, it is. Checked it this morning.
Perfect. Is breakfast included in the booking?
Yes. Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
7 to 10 in the morning?
Yes, morning. First floor restaurant.
Sorry. Of course, morning. Yes.
Do you need help with your bags?
I have two very big bags.
I'll call the porter for you.
The porter, is that a helper person?
Exactly. He'll carry your bags upstairs.
Oh, thank you. That is very kind.
Is this your first time in Chicago?
Yes, I arrived just today by plane.
Amazing. Chicago has so much to see.
Thank you. Is there good food nearby?
Lots of great restaurants, very close by.
Perfect. And is the Wi-Fi free here?
Yes, password is on your key card.
On the card? How? Like printed?
Yes, on the back. Little sticker there.
Oh, I always lose the key card.
Try not to lose it. Room 412.
No promises, but I will try.
Enjoy your stay, Miss Martin. Welcome.
One more thing. Where is the restaurant?
First floor, next to the lift.
I will try to remember that.
At the café.
Hello, what can I get you?
Hello, I want, coffee.
Of course. Hot or iced?
Hot, please. And something to eat?
We have sandwiches, muffins, and scones.
What is a scone? Like bread?
Sort of. It's a British thing.
Is it sweet or salty?
A little sweet, nice with butter.
Okay, one scone, please. And coffee.
What size coffee? Small, medium, large?
Medium. Is that okay size?
Perfect choice, honestly.
How much is that? Total price.
Coffee is $3.50, scone is $2.
So, $5.50 altogether?
Exactly. Good adding.
I like numbers. English is harder.
Fair enough. Name for your order?
Tom. Just Tom. Tom.
Got it, Tom. Just a few minutes.
Can I sit anywhere here?
Anywhere you like. Window is lovely.
Can I sit in the window? Is the window cold? It's raining.
This is London. Always raining here.
Always? Every single day?
Every single day. Welcome to Britain.
Can you say the spelling again?
Maths.
Maths. With an S. That is strange.
We love adding extra letters here.
Okay, I will remember. Maths.
Tom, your order is ready.
This scone. It is so big.
That's a completely normal scone, promise.
Normal? In my country, much smaller.
Bigger appetite needed here in Britain.
Or a bigger, stomach.
On the street.
Hey, are you lost right now?
Yes, a little. I think so.
That's okay. Where are you going?
I need the 6 train. Subway.
The 6 train? That's really close.
Is it far to walk there?
No, just 2 blocks from here.
2 blocks. What does block mean?
Like 1 city square. Small walk.
Oh, okay. I understand that now.
Turn left at that corner there.
Left? Or wait, which way? Left?
Yes, that side, your left hand.
Sorry, directions are hard for me.
First time in New York City?
Yes, everything here is so big.
Ha, true. Takes some getting used to.
How many minutes to walk there?
About 5 minutes, not far at all.
And the ticket, is it expensive?
$3 per ride, very normal.
Where do I buy the ticket?
At the station, there's a machine inside.
A machine. Is it easy?
Very easy, just tap your card.
Can I use my phone instead?
Yes, most stations take phones now.
No cash? Only card and phone?
Only card now. Don't worry though.
Okay, I think I can do this.
You'll be totally fine. Go for it.
Thank you. You are very helpful, really.
Good luck. Enjoy New York City.
Wait, how do you know my name?
Your bag. It says Lucy right there.
Oh no, that is so embarrassing.
Getting a passport photo.
Passport photo time.
Easy. I love photos.
Not these photos. No smiling allowed.
No smiling. Why not?
Passport rules. Neutral face only.
Neutral. Like a robot?
Exactly like a robot.
But my face always smiles.
Then today, your face learns.
Okay, sitting on the stool,
He says, look at the camera.
looking, not smiling. This is hard.
Tracy, your mouth is smiling.
I can't help it.
Think of something boring.
Boring. Like what?
Tax forms, traffic, Monday mornings.
Monday mornings. Okay, face is dying.
Perfect. Hold that dead face.
He took it? Let me see.
You look so angry.
That's not me. That's a criminal.
That's everyone's passport photo.
10 years with this face?
10 long years.
Can we take it again?
It costs £10 again.
Fine. Hello, criminal me.
Your border officers will love you.
Stop. Don't make me smile now.
Farmer's market.
Colin, this stall sells honey.
So many jars. All honey?
Different flowers make different honey.
Honey has flavors?
Many. And look, free samples.
Samples? Small tastes for free?
Exactly. Try the lavender one.
How do I ask?
Could I try this one?
Could I try this one, please?
He's giving you a little spoon.
It tastes like purple.
Purple isn't a taste.
It is now, trust me.
Try the wildflower honey next.
Could I try the wildflower?
Well asked. And
This one is stronger, deeper.
look at you, a honey expert.
Which one should I buy?
Ask which one is local.
Which honey is most local?
He says the wildflower from his bees.
His own bees. A bee father.
Beekeeper is the word.
Beekeeper. Keeper of bees. Logical.
So, the wildflower?
1 jar, please.
No, 2 jars.
2? Big honey, love.
1 for me, 1 for purple emergencies.
I can't argue with that.
Recycling day. Tomorrow is recycling day.
Recycling day. We sort the rubbish?
Exactly. 3 bins, 3 colors.
Green, blue, and black. Why?
Green is for glass and cans.
Glass and cans. Metal things too?
Yes. Blue is paper and cardboard.
And black is everything else?
General waste, the leftover stuff.
Okay. This pizza box. Blue?
Ah, tricky one. Is it greasy?
Greasy. Oily from the pizza?
Greasy cardboard can't be recycled.
The grease ruins it?
Sadly, yes. Black bin.
Poor pizza box. So close.
This bottle?
Glass. Green bin.
And the plastic bag?
Plastic. Green? Blue?
Trick question. Neither. Supermarkets take those.
Recycling has so many rules.
You're doing better than most locals.
Really? Locals get it wrong?
All the time. Bin confusion is national.
A whole country confused by bins.
Last one. The banana peel.
Food. Is there a food bin?
The small brown one. Well done.
4 bins. You said 3.
Surprise. Welcome to Britain.
At a pizza place. Here you build your pizza.
Build? Like construction?
Food construction. Step by step.
Okay, where do I start?
First, choose your base.
Base. The bread part?
Thin crust or thick crust.
Crust. New word. Thin, please.
Now the sauce. Red or white.
White sauce on pizza? Is that legal?
Very legal. Very tasty.
I trust tradition. Red, please.
Now toppings. The fun part.
Toppings. Things on top?
Exactly. Choose 3.
Mushrooms? Olives? And what's that?
That's pepperoni. Spicy meat circles.
Meat circles. Yes, pepperoni.
Now they ask about cheese.
More cheese is always the answer.
Extra cheese. Spoken like a local.
How long until it's ready?
Ask the guy.
How long will it take?
10 minutes in the oven.
I will watch my pizza bake.
Like watching your child grow.
Look! The fire oven. So fast.
Brooklyn Pizza waits for no one.
My pizza. My beautiful creation.
Careful, it's hot.
Worth the burn. Totally worth it.
Food truck at lunch. How long is your break?
5 minutes. Only 5.
5 minutes? Then we run.
The food truck line. It's long.
It moves fast. Know your order.
Know it before I reach the window?
That's food truck law. Decide now.
Okay, the menu. Tacos, burrito.
Quick, what does your stomach say?
My stomach says tacos.
How many?
3. No, 2. 2 tacos.
You're up. Go, go, go.
2 chicken tacos, please. To go.
To go. Perfect under pressure.
He asks, salsa, hot or mild?
You have 4 minutes. Decide.
Mild. Today I am not brave.
Haha. Smart choice for a workday.
How much? Quickly, how much?
$7. Tap your card.
Tapped. Now we wait?
90 seconds. They're fast.
90 seconds? He's already calling my number.
Grab it and run.
Thank you. Jerry, hurry.
Eat while walking. Lunch athlete style.
Haha, taco in hand. 2 minutes left.
Will you make it?
Watch me and my taco fly.
Making breakfast pancakes.
Today we make pancakes.
Gail, American pancakes? The thick ones?
Thick and fluffy. The dream.
Fluffy. Soft like a pillow?
Exactly. Mix the batter first.
Batter. This liquid mix?
That's the batter. Now heat the pan.
Pan is hot. Butter in?
Butter in. Hear that sound?
It's singing.
Now pour some batter. Small circle.
A beautiful circle.
Wait for the bubbles.
Bubbles on the pancake?
Bubbles mean it's time to flip.
Flip. Turn it over?
With confidence, flip it.
Okay, flipping. No!
Onto the floor.
The pancake escaped.
The first pancake always fails.
Always? It's a rule?
An ancient breakfast rule.
So I'm normal?
Completely normal. Pour another.
Waiting for bubbles. Flipping.
A perfect flip.
I am a pancake master.
One fail, one win.
The floor pancake made me stronger.
Now make 10 more. I'm hungry.
10? Get your own pan.
At a tea room.
Welcome to a proper tea room.
Proper means real? Serious?
Very serious. Tea is serious here.
Are there rules?
Oh, many rules. Sit up straight.
Sitting straight like school.
Now we order afternoon tea.
Afternoon tea is just tea?
Tea plus sandwiches plus cakes.
All of that? Together?
On a tall 3-level stand.
A tower of food. Amazing.
Order for us. Go on.
Afternoon tea for 2, please.
Lovely. Now the big question.
What big question?
Milk first or tea first?
There is a war about this?
100-year war. Choose wisely.
What do you do?
Tea first, then milk. Always.
Then I copy you. Safe choice.
Wise man. Now the scone.
Scone. This round bread cake?
Cream and jam go on it.
Which one goes first?
That's the second war.
Haha, tea has many wars.
Jam here. Trust me.
Jam, cream, and tasting heaven.
Welcome to Britain, Felix.
I'm never leaving this table.